guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video, hi, I'm Alaina, and this is The Organized Money, where we talk about planning life and managing money. In today's video, we are going to be doing my home notebook setup. So this is going to be a little bit different from how I set up my planner. I use an 8.5 by 11 letter size planner in order to help me manage my entire day. It's what keeps me organized. It's all the subjects that I have in my life, and it is how I stay on top of everything. With my notebook really serves as an aid to my planner. So my notebook is currently a classic size notebook, and this is where I am able to keep any additional information that I might need from my planner. So I have a home section in my planner, and in my home section I will have my calendar and all of the different things that I need to do on a daily basis for my home. But I will keep routines and other notes, projects and things like that, things that will last longer than a month. So if my planner is only for the current month, then this notebook is what I will refer to throughout the year if I have any additional information that needs to live longer than my planner. So my planner is only for a year. This will last much, much longer. However, I have been using this cover for quite some time. This is the Happy Planner quilted cover, and I have been using this for a couple of years in order to keep my notebook together. But I just got this in the mail. So this is from Cloth and Paper. It is their leather bound cover, and it is different from the one that I currently have, but I'm going to open it up and reset up this notebook, just adjust it to how I want it moving forward. So that is what we're doing in today's video. So thankful to Cloth and Paper for sending this over. So let me show you what it looks like. So here is side by side. I just wanted to show you the difference between the two sizes. So this is my planner. It is a letter size planner, and then this is the notebook. My notebook is a classic size notebook so that I am able to carry it around if I need to, but I don't usually carry this around. To be honest, I will usually bring this every single place I need to go, but this will usually stay at home. So let's go ahead and pull over this Cloth and Paper package. I'm super excited to open this. So let's open this up and see what's inside. The first thing that's in here is this little card, which is super nice. Well, but first, before I open this, look how nice this box is. There is luxury and simplicity. Let's keep in touch. How cute is that? Just open up this, which I believe this is the receipt. Yes, that's the receipt. And these are some cards. This one says focus. Whatever you do, do it with purpose. Being focused is not something to be ashamed of. It is something to be proud of. When you know what you are doing and have a clear vision of where you are going, you will not need to chase opportunities. Opportunities will seek you. Happiness will chase you, and instead of being a choice, you will be the one choosing. How nice is that? Love this. And then these other ones. Oh, these are cards that can go within the planner. Document the moments you feel most in love with yourself. Oh my goodness, this is so nice. So these are like journaling cards and other cards that I can add within the planner. Love this. Definitely am going to do that. So let's open this up. Goodness, how nice is this box? So incredibly nice. So this is the care for the leather. Now I am just going to open this up. I believe this is the description of what's inside. Contoured leather, agenda cover, no rings. And I decided to get the no rings in the Happy Planner Classic size because I knew that my planner would be able to still fit because I already have rings on the planner, so I didn't need it within the actual cover. really nice dust bag here, and here it is. Look how nice is this. So let me just take off all of the extras. And I ended up getting the ribbed black. I'm hoping that you guys can see the texture of this cover on screen. It is so incredibly nice. This is so nice. I love the way that this feels. And I also really love the details. So as you can see, there's a gold button here and on the inside, so you can snap it closed here. Inside, you do have the card holders on the side, and then you also have a pocket here. You have the pocket on the back, and you also have the pen holder here. Okay, so the first thing that I am going to do is add in the cards that were sent with this package. So I'm going to add in this focus card at the bottom here. I think that this will look really nice. And then I'm also going to add in this one. So now that I have added both of these cards here, the next thing that I'm going to do is work on the notebook that I am going to have inside. So for the notebook, I am going to add in the new notebook that I just added to my shop. This is a plain notebook. It is lined. It does have the date at the top. It comes with black rings, and it does come in 2 sizes. So this is the classic size. I also have the bigger size. So I have the 8.5 by 11 and the 7 by 9.25 in size. And there are 75 sheets in here. And y'all know I absolutely love disc-bound notebooks because you're able to pull out the sheets and push it back in. So this is going to be the home notebook that I am going to use. I am going to pull in some of the pages that I had in my older notebook because I had my planner routine. I also have in there my daily routine, and I had my goals of the month. So I do want to add all of these in this particular notebook. So the first thing that we're going to do is add in my sections. So the very first section that I want to add into this notebook, it is going to be my routines. And these dividers I purchased from Happy Planner off of Amazon, so I will link them below. I have a few kinds of dividers, so I'm always picking up dividers every time I see them at Happy Planner, at Michael's. I always will try and pick some up. So I do have a bunch of dividers over here, and like I said, I have purchased some from Etsy. These are from Etsy. These are a little bit more flimsy, so I do like to try and use the harder plastic ones if I do have them, and I have a nice number of these, so this is what we're going to use for today. So the first tab that I'm going to add in here are going to be my routines. I love to keep my routines within my home notebook because I switch up my planner so often, so I will change out my planner from month to month, just depending on what I have going on. But many times I need my routines all throughout the year. So since that's the case, I do like to keep it separate. So I keep a couple of notebooks. The very first one is my home notebook, which is the one that we are working on right now. I also have a learning notebook, which I have to do an update on my commonplace notebook or my learning notebook. That's the notebook that I will use mainly to kind of like gather up different notes and things that I'm just learning, and I'll probably do that in another video where I share the update of that one. For now, we are going to work on this one, and I'm going to pop in this first tab of my routines. So I am going to add in all of the routines from my older notebook. We're gonna put in my morning routine. I'm gonna add in my planner routine. I also want in here, this is an overview of all of my routines, which I probably wanna put this one first. So I can have the overview, and then I can have more of a breakdown of each routine that I have. Have my evening. This is my evening planner routine. Cleaning. And then I also have my skincare. The next tab that I'm going to put in here is going to be for any of my projects. So this will be for home projects that I am currently working on, which right now I have been working on our closet, but I do have some upcoming home projects that are going to require more planning, because what I'm doing right now doesn't really require a lot of planning, but my next upcoming projects will. So we're just going to add in a section for that, so that when I'm ready to plan that out, I have a section that is ready for me. So we're just gonna flip past that section, and now we're gonna add in a third section. The third section is going to be my goals. And this section will be for all of the home goals that I may want to achieve, or any personal goals that I might be working on. So I'm gonna add in the one that I created for the month of March. And we're gonna skip a few pages. And the last section that I am going to set up is going to be for memories. Now I'm going to be using a divider from Etsy for this one, which I don't like these as much, but I also don't want all of my tabs to overlap. And if I was to use one of the harder ones, when I close this, I know it's going to be hidden. So we're gonna use one of these. Okay, and that's going to be my last section for now. Oh, it still ends up overlapping. Can I don't think I can fix that. No, I don't think I have anything that's far out. So we'll just leave it as that. But my first tab is for routines. My second tab is for projects. My third tab is for goals. And my fourth one is for memories. And then that way I can just fill out all of the memories. So this will be my new home notebook setup. And I am going to put it into this cover. And if I think of any additional things that I can add into here, into this notebook, I definitely will. But this is how it's going to look. So many times what I will do in here, especially under the project section, this is where I will keep track of like upcoming travel. I will keep up with just different projects we are working on in our home. Anything that is personal or home related will go in here. And then under the goals section is all of my personal goals that I am currently working on. I also have my memories for any pictures, and I do also have some memory spreads that I've already done. I just don't have them in front of me, but I'll probably pull them from the notebook that they are in and add them in here as well. So then I will have my complete home notebook set up. But I really love how this came out. I think it's going to be super nice to keep on my shelf. Like I said, I don't usually carry this one around. The only exception is sometimes I will pull out some of the pages when I am traveling. Like I said, I will plan my travel in my notebook, but I will take out the pages and put it in my planner when I am actually ready to travel. And that's why I love having the disc bound system, because I am easily able to transfer different sheets from one notebook to my planner and then just keep everything in there, and I don't have to carry around this big entire thing. I can easily just pull out the sheets that I need. So if you are interested in this cloth and paper cover, I will leave this one linked in the description box below, and I will also have the link if you are interested in the notebook in the description box as well. But I will see you guys in my next video. Let me know in the comments below if you have a home notebook and how you are currently using yours. And I will see you all in my next one. Until then, Keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye, guys.